Welcome to another day in the fascinating world of school life. Today, we dive into the simple yet relatable experience of asking for a pencil in the classroom, a small moment that holds a treasure trove of memories and camaraderie. Picture this. The classroom is bustling, notebooks are open, and pencils are busy inking thoughts onto paper. But what happens when you reach into your bag and find nothing to write with? Well, let's explore this scenario. A, sitting at their desk, hesitates for a moment. A quick glance around reveals classmates absorbed in their work. A knows there's only one thing to do. Gathering just a touch of courage, A leans over to B, who seems focused but approachable. "Excuse me, can I borrow a pencil?" A asks, hoping for a positive response. Without missing a beat, B smiles and replies, "Sure, here you go." It's a small exchange, but one that carries earnest relief. "Thanks, I forgot mine again," A says, with a trace of sheepishness, receiving the pencil with gratitude. B chuckles softly, responding, "No problem, I always bring two." It's in these moments that simplicity is the hero, a buddy system of preparedness and mutual support. "You're so smart," A compliments, genuinely impressed by B's foresight. In a world that thrives on having each other's back, this small act of sharing speaks volumes. B grins, "Haha, just prepared," acknowledging the compliment with modesty. In just a few words, a bridge is built, an understanding shared, a gentle reminder of the small dependencies that form the backbone of friendships. Classroom walls aren't just spaces for academic learning. They're arenas for human connections, big and small. Lending a pencil turns into an unspoken promise as camaraderie, a foundation stone for trust and goodwill. As this tiny tale unfolds, remember, the beauty of school life often lies in these fleeting yet meaningful interactions. It's not just about the pencils, papers, and textbooks. It's about the bonds we create along the way. In recreating this moment, we celebrate the spirit of school days, a blend of laughter, learning, and lending a pencil to a friend in need. Thanks for joining us on this nostalgic journey today. Until next time, keep those pencils sharp and friendships sharper.